Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this captivating video, we invite you to dive into the world of exotic yoga as we reveal the transformative power of unique practices that unleash serenity and inner peace. Exotic yoga offers a refreshing and enchanting approach to your practice. From the dynamic partner movements of acro yoga to the energy awakening of kundalini yoga and the graceful flows of aerial yoga, each style holds its own magic. Join us on this journey as we explore the benefits and intricacies of these practices. Through stunning visuals and expert guidance, we will unlock the secrets of exotic yoga, helping you find serenity, balance, and rejuvenation. Whether you're a seasoned yogi seeking a new challenge or a beginner looking to expand your horizons, our videos will inspire and empower you to embrace the serenity that exotic yoga brings. Subscribe now to our channel and discover the hidden treasures of exotic yoga. Unleash serenity, nurture your spirit, and embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery through these unique and captivating practices. Get ready to reveal the serenity that awaits you on the mat,